Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy and see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Mm. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Happy Friday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's going on? What y'all got going on? Betrayal, deceit, backstab, traitor, not to be trusted energy is what I'm seeing here. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing an energy of investigating. Somebody's feeling something. I don't know. Here, this is what I'm feeling here. This is what I'm saying. I'm seeing that there's a snake in the grass. I'm seeing that there is some sort of betrayal here. Someone may have deceived you, backstabbed you, some sort of traitor, someone not to be trusted in your energy. And I'm definitely seeing an energy of things being investigated. I don't know, maybe somebody's looking for the betrayal, sensing the betrayal, see the betrayal. This could be past, present, or future. My right ear is itching. This could even be a warning, is what it feels like. Well, that's be the left ear. But the right, okay, so this the right ear is normally like someone may be telling you about something or spoke to you or told you the truth. Because the right ear, there's an energy of like you receiving the truth. Or there's an energy of someone speaking highly positive about you, but there's something going on in your energy where there's people that you can't trust. Clarify this betrayal. Clarify betrayal, please, Spirit. The color green can be significant. Clarify betrayal for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Look, truth, expression, some sort of truth, someone, standing in your power. I'm seeing there's an energy of someone that is operating out of their self node. There's an energy of someone clinging or clingy in some sort of energy of their self node, okay? Which is the energy of someone. There's an energy of comfort here, comfortability, comfort zone. Ah. There's an energy of somebody looking in the mirror, seeing things exactly for what it is. Okay? Clarify betrayal and truth. This could be some sort of truth coming out regarding some sort of betrayal, some sort of deceit. Betrayal, truth expression. What's going on with this betrayal, truth expression? Please, spirits for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Betrayal, truth expression. Betrayal, truth expression. What is it that we need to know? 2 minute. Betrayal, truth expression. One more. Gratitude. At the bottom of the deck. Ooh. Y'all, we have an Earth Angel. Number 74 could be significant. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's energy of betrayal and deceit, backstabbing, a traitor, someone not to be trusted. And I'm speaking to an earth angel. Number 74 could be significant, and spirit is providing some sort of truth. You could be someone that is very truthful. You express yourself. There's energy of originality, you simply being yourself, but it seems like there's energy of someone you being tied to, or someone in your energy that is coming out as an ice king. This is someone that is not like you. This is an energy of someone that's very clingy. This is very suffocating. This is the energy of someone that operated out of their self. No, this is the energy of someone that you need to investigate. As it says, not to be trusted. This is someone that is emotionally unavailable. There's energy of emotionally being closed off. And I'm seeing energy of someone operating out of poverty. There's a impoverished energy, or this person could be in poverty. Number 37 could be significant. This person is an energy of someone that possibly even need help. Okay, but with this need help energy, I'm seeing the energy of someone possibly I'm seeing death magic, wanting to take you out. Okay, or this could be an energy of this person wanting to create some sort of blockages or cause some sort of endings in your life in some form of fashion. Number 64 could be significant. Mm. Look, I'm seeing Earth Angel receiving some sort of awakening, or there is some sort of awakening, especially when it comes to when it comes, especially when it comes to divine. I'm sorry, I'm about to say divine feminine, Earth Angel energy. Yeah. Now with this awakening, it seems like things are being revealed. Okay. This is like an energy of you having to make things being revealed and you having to make a decision, a choice. Because you have a choice in the matter regarding what you want to do in the future. Again, you are an energy of someone that operate out of divinity. Again, like I said, I want to say divine feminine, but it could be a divine masculine. But I knew it was divinity out here with this Earth Angel as well, because it seems like you are definitely rich guy, rich girl energy, abundant. And it's talking about your distant future is to be rich, whether it's masculine or feminine energy, and it seems like someone's coming in your life to cause some sort of destruction. Whoever this person is could be someone that you have a family with, or maybe they're going to end up having wanting to have a family with you or something like that. It seems like that is their whole motive to have a family with you so that they can cause some sort of destruction, especially when it comes to your future. Whoever you are, you're single, sexy, and successful, and this person is approaching as a nice guy. This person can also be rich as well physically, but they might not be rich spiritually. They're in spiritual poverty. They're impoverished spiritually. They lack morals and integrity type of energy. Okay? Things that, like I said, total opposites is what I'm seeing here. All right? Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and clarify this Ice King, because somebody definitely trying the Earth Angel energy. Clarify Ice King, number 42. Excuse me. Just a moment. I do apologize. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's clarify Ice King. I had to put in my order for some sushi. I love me some discovery fried discovery rolls, sushi rolls, and fried California California roll. So it's called crazy California roll or something. All right, let's get into it. What's going on with Ice King? Clarify Ice King's please spirit for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to this Ice King energy? Clarify this Ice King. All right. Clarifying this Ice King energy is very impulsive, very quick with the Knight of Swords energy is what I'm showing here. Like this person doing things impulsively, very quickly, seeing an opportunity and taking it is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing someone that like possibly going through financial issues, financial problems with the Five of Pentacles. There's an energy of possibly feeling left out in the cold. All right, possibly not even having somewhere to stay type of energy. I'm also showing that wounded warrior, wounded energy. It seems like this person is already energy of, there is an energy of trauma here, going through some sort of traumatic events. Um, at the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing Eight of Cups where somebody is moving on. There's energy of moving, withdrawing your energy, abandoning whatever plans you have. And I'm seeing someone watching, spying. There's an energy of um being curious even. Whoever this person is could be someone that you have a family with the Ten of Cups. Is what I'm seeing here. Clarifying the Nine of Wands is the Ten of Cups. And I see you being moved to calmer waters. There's an energy of moving to calmer waters. There's an energy of um a calm after a storm with dealing with whoever this person is. Just a moment again, y'all. I do apologize. Again, I do apologize. I had to answer that phone call. But like I stated before, there's an energy of you guys being moved to calmer waters. I'm seeing like a calm after some sort of storm with dealing with whoever this person is. This is almost like an energy of you being protected. That's what it feels like. It feels like an energy of you being protected. There's an energy of you being saved. But of course, that would make sense because you're coming out as an earth angel. Spared? I'm saying that there's but behind you, you're not as weak as you look, because when I look at this earth angel, like this person approaching you in this energy, I feel like there's an energy of this is how they see you, someone that's fair friendly. There's someone that looks, easy, but behind you, it's like you come with strength, power, wisdom, knowledge. You're not who you look like. You don't look like what you've been through or anything like that. Clarify this poverty, please, Spirit. What do we need to know? Clarifying poverty is justice. This is someone's karmic justice to end in this, to be in this energy of poverty. Is what I'm showing here. I feel like this person has some sort of control issue. There's an energy of control. There's an energy of possessiveness. Okay. I'm seeing an energy of financial issue because of them wanting to gain control, keep control. I'm seeing that there's a Queen of Pentacles out here clarifying this impoverished energy. Virgo could be significant or could be kept going towards Virgo. I'm seeing an energy of someone being in regret. There's a very regretful energy out here, and I'm seeing someone trying to extend some sort of offer and you denying this offer. I'm seeing that there's a new beginning with this Wheel of Fortune. There's an energy of someone having good luck. Okay, there's energy of fate. There's an energy of things destined to happen that are happening. Like someone trying to alter something that is not supposed to go the way that it's supposed to go. I'm saying you guys are in this energy of Nine of Cups. There's an energy of happiness. So this person possibly wants to be a part of your happiness or possibly steal your happiness. It look like there's an energy of you guys. You're looking like you. I'm seeing victory. There's an energy of victory or success around you. There's an energy of you guys reaping some sort of fulfillment of rewards or something with this Nine of Cups. There's like wish fulfillment out here. Like this person could see you as someone that could assist them or help them out of some sort of karmic situation. And I see them approaching as like some sort of knight in shining armor, or approaching as someone that, that you may be compatible with. Let's go ahead and clarify this death magic. I see them reaching out to communication, DMs, okay, email, text message, possibly communicating face to face. Clarify this death magic energy. Clarifying death magic is the King of Swords, okay? So that lets me know Libra energy is here, okay? There's an energy of balance with this Libra energy. Clarify death magic. What's going on with death magic, please, Spirit? I feel like you might have some sort of protection around you. This person could be someone that has air in their chart. Clarifying death magic is a King of Swords. So some Libra might be significant. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I feel like this person, it looked like this person is the one that's trying to cause blockages, endings, or even take you out. It seems like this person is someone that's very flirtatious. This is someone that is very shameless, very moving with a lot of passion. That's what I'm showing here. It seems like this person is trying to celebrate. They like an energy of them trying. There's a celebration here. There's a celebration here. Trying to be successful at ending something or ending you. I'm saying that there's a water sign that may be significant. Cancer could be significant as well. They may be working together. And I'm seeing judgment being called. There's an energy of judgment being called. Okay? On the situation. Death magic. Death magic. Yeah. It seems like these people had choices. They had options. Spirit gave them an option, gave them a choice. You can carry on with this and be held accountable, or you could just walk away and leave it alone. I am seeing that there's a Queen of Pentacles out here as well. I mean, a King of Pentacles out here as well. This is like, okay, somebody's trying to cause an ending to a new beginning, because I see the Queen of Pentacles and I'm saying that your new beginning is you're going to be meeting somebody, or it's destined for you to meet someone new. Partner. Oh, yeah, because you are. These people, again, it's like they're receiving karma for trying to stop something for you. I'm seeing a new beginning with a earth sign, a King of Pentacles with this Fool energy. I'm seeing options in love. This could be even like online even, but I'm showing like a secret. illusion being cast. There's some sort of illusion here with this King of Pentacles. Yeah. I don't know. This is a secret here. Something about it being a secret, something being hidden. There may be even some sort of illusion regarding a partnership. I see lovers here. This could talk about this is like a soulmate. There's a secret or some a soulmate that is hidden here in the midst that they're trying to keep you from pursuing. And in this investigation, this is spiritual. This isn't you. This is something happening in the spirit. These people are being watched. And they're going to have to look at themselves for this. Like spirit's going to help. They're going to be held accountable for their actions. Things that are happening in their life is happening that way because they had choices and decisions to make of their own, and they made their own choices and decisions. And because of the choice and decisions that they made, they have to bear and deal with the consequences of their actions. I'm seeing a closing of this cycle. You are too strong for them. That's why I needed more than one person. Remember I said it like it was more than one person here? Clarifying this dark magic? Like they needed more than one person to come up against you, and it still did not work. In the end, this is an energy of them like being like, I want to say unfree. There's an energy of being like in jail. There's an energy of anxiety. There's a high energy of stress. I'm seeing people losing sleep, not able to rest peacefully. There's an energy of them needing help financially, spiritually, mentally. You have the high priestess here. This is nothing more than your spirit team, your spirit guides. You have ranking in the spiritual realm. It's just they just want to bring it to your forefront of what is going on in your energy. Some people that are around you, if I said any of those zodiac signs that may resonate with you, they're going through what they're going through for a reason. And some of these people may be the very ones that try to come and seek some sort of refuge or assistance from you, knowing damn well the things that they have done behind your back. They have to sit in that. They were invested and they thought that they were going to get away with it. They only feel some type of way because they got caught. This is self-sabotage. They did that. This was a choice. Like I said, choices and decisions. They chose to betray you. They chose to deceive you. They just chose to backstab you, to be a traitor. They chose to be put in a situation where you can't fucking trust them. If this resonated with you, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Personal readings, link is down below, and I appreciate y'all. You have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.